Welcome to Mountain Man Fungi. For those who don't know, my favorite group of mushrooms are psilocybe and amanita mushrooms. I have never found one of those in the wild until today. This is the Western panther cap, Amanita pantherinoides. This mushroom was first described in 1912 by William Merle, and it is a poisonous mushroom, but properly prepared can be psychoactive. And it has a higher percentage of psychoactive chemicals like ibotenic acid and muscimol than its other psychoactive relatives in the genus. This mushroom is the reason why Paul Stamets has a very funny, interesting, and scary story about this mushroom. It is a ectomycorrhizal mushroom, and it is absolutely beautiful. Amanita mushrooms, need to be very careful with them. They command respect and gratitude from people around them, and they are absolutely beautiful. Thank you very much for watching.